Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're sharing 10 brilliant DIY party decor hacks that are easy, budget-friendly, and guaranteed to impress your guests. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a baby shower, or just a casual get-together, these creative ideas will transform everyday items into stunning decorations. From whimsical balloon garlands and rustic mason jar lanterns to elegant painted vases and colorful origami garlands, there's something here for every party theme. We'll show you how to use materials like tissue paper, string lights, and even wrapping paper to create decor that's not only beautiful but also incredibly affordable. Get ready to unleash your inner designer and elevate your party game without breaking the bank. Let's dive in and start crafting your dream party decor. Idea number 1. Paper Magic, DIY Tissue Pom-Poms. The image showcases a lively and colorful party setting, where oversized tissue paper pom-poms dangle from the ceiling like floating bursts of color. These pom-poms, crafted from folded tissue paper, range in hues from bright pink and sunny yellow to soft pastels, creating a dynamic yet harmonious palette. The lightweight decor brings a whimsical feel to the space, perfect for birthdays, baby showers, or casual get-togethers. Below, a table is set with simple, elegant plates and glasses, accented by vibrant napkins that match the pom-poms. The soft glow of string lights completes the scene, casting a cheerful ambience. This setup feels festive and creative, demonstrating how everyday materials can be transformed into eye-catching decorations. Idea number 2. String light elegance, mason jar lanterns. This cozy scene is illuminated by the warm glow of mason jars filled with string lights, creating a magical and rustic vibe. The jars, arranged as centerpieces, are accented with sprigs of greenery and delicate flowers that spill out gently around their bases. Placed on a wooden table with a burlap runner, these DIY lanterns exude a simple elegance, perfect for outdoor or evening parties. The surrounding area is softly lit by the golden light of the jars, blending beautifully with the natural elements. The overall feel is intimate and inviting, proving that a few everyday items can turn any gathering into a memorable event with a touch of DIY creativity. Idea number 3. Upcycled Chic, painted bottle vases. This vibrant party setting highlights upcycled glass bottles transformed into elegant vases. Painted in cheerful pastel hues like mint green, baby pink, and sky blue, the bottles bring a playful yet sophisticated charm to the table. Each bottle is filled with fresh flowers, daisies, roses, or wildflowers, that add pops of color and fragrance to the decor. The table itself is dressed with a simple white tablecloth, allowing the colorful vases to shine as focal points. Plates and cutlery are arranged neatly, with coordinating pastel napkins adding cohesion. The overall ambience is fresh, eco-friendly, and perfect for spring or summer celebrations. It's a testament to how upcycled items can be given new life as stylish party decor. Idea number 4. Balloon Brilliance, DIY balloon garland. The centerpiece of this festive scene is a striking balloon garland arching over a beautifully arranged dessert table. The balloons come in a mix of pastel shades, pink, lavender, and mint, along with metallic gold and silver accents for a touch of glamour. The garland cascades in varying sizes, creating a sense of movement and volume. Beneath it, a dessert table is laden with cupcakes, cookies, and a show-stopping cake, all styled to match the party's color scheme. The balloons add a playful and celebratory vibe to the setting, instantly transforming the space into a picture-perfect party venue. This DIY hack demonstrates how something as simple as balloons can elevate a gathering into a joyful and stylish event. Idea number 5. Nature's Touch, leaf garland accents. This minimalist yet stunning decor idea brings the outdoors in with lush garlands crafted from fresh green leaves. Draped across the table and along the walls, the garlands create a cohesive, nature-inspired theme. Simple white candles and glass holders are interspersed along the table, adding a warm and intimate glow to the setting. The tableware is kept clean and minimal, with white plates and transparent glasses that allow the leafy decor to take center stage. The overall vibe is fresh, organic, and calming, ideal for casual gatherings or rustic-themed celebrations. The image showcases how even the simplest natural elements can make a significant impact on party decor. Idea number 6. Paper Whimsy, DIY Origami Garland. A playful and vibrant scene comes to life with a DIY garland made entirely of origami shapes. From cranes to stars, the colorful paper creations are strung together and draped against a wall, illuminated by the soft glow of string lights. The combination of vibrant colors and geometric designs brings an element of fun and creativity to the space. The rest of the decor complements the garland, with festive streamers and confetti scattered across a nearby table. This setup feels whimsical and interactive, encouraging guests to admire the handiwork up close. Perfect for parties of all kinds, this idea shows how paper and a little folding can become a captivating decor element. Idea number 7. Rustic Charm, Wooden Crate Displays. This rustic-inspired decor uses wooden crates to create an eye-catching and functional display. The crates are stacked in varying heights, forming a tiered arrangement that showcases desserts, potted plants, and party favors. The natural wood tones add warmth and charm to the setting, while fairy lights wrapped around the crates add a magical glow. The table below is styled with a burlap table runner and simple white plates, keeping the focus on the rustic display. The overall vibe is cozy and welcoming, perfect for a country-themed or outdoor party. This setup demonstrates how everyday items, like crates, can be repurposed into stylish and practical decor pieces. Idea number 8. Glow Up, DIY Candle Holders with Glass Jars. This intimate and elegant party decor showcases glass jars transformed into charming candle holders. Each jar is wrapped with delicate lace and tied with pastel-colored ribbons, creating a soft, vintage aesthetic. When lit, the candles inside cast a warm, flickering glow that filters beautifully through the lace patterns. The jars are arranged on a table with muted tones, featuring a cream tablecloth and subtle floral arrangements. The overall ambience is romantic and serene, ideal for evening gatherings or bridal showers. The image captures how simple materials like jars and ribbons can create decor that feels both personal and polished. Idea number 9. Sweet Simplicity, DIY Cupcake Stands. The star of this setup is a DIY cupcake stand made from everyday items like plates and glasses. Stacked to create multiple tiers, the stand holds an array of colorful cupcakes, each decorated with vibrant frosting and sprinkles. The stand sits at the center of a dessert table adorned with confetti, party hats, and matching tableware. The backdrop is equally festive, featuring streamers and balloons in coordinating colors. The scene exudes fun and playfulness, perfect for birthdays or kids' parties. This concept highlights how creativity with household items can result in budget-friendly yet beautiful party decor. Idea number 10. Creative Backdrops, Wrapping Paper Wall Art. The backdrop in this image steals the show, crafted from panels of vibrant wrapping paper arranged in a geometric pattern. The colors and patterns of the paper vary, creating a lively and visually stimulating focal point. Balloons and party banners are strategically placed to enhance the festive vibe. In front of the backdrop, a table is set with desserts and drinks, featuring a bright and colorful arrangement of plates, napkins, and cutlery. The wrapping paper backdrop transforms an ordinary wall into a cheerful and Instagram-worthy feature, perfect for photos and parties on a budget. This setup proves that a bit of creativity with inexpensive materials can make a huge impact. That's all the 10 DIY party decor ideas for your special occasions. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY inspiration.